We live in the most interesting time in the history of humankind. In any case, the most famous futurologist of the world, Raymond Kurzweil, says so. Kurzweil is the owner of 7 books, 5 of which have become bestsellers. He has 20 honorary doctorate degrees, has been awarded 3 marks of distinction by 3 different presidents. He is also the inventor of many technologies, starting from the first flatbed scanner, SSD, to the first reading machine for the blind. Today, Kurzweil is the first technical director of Google. He is engaged in the development of artificial intelligence. Recently, he proposed another round of predictions. For many people, it may seem too optimistic, but let's remember that technology is progressing exponentially, not linearly. So, we present you a technological forecast for 100 years by the most respected futurist on the planet. The channel The Best of the World is on the air. 2019. Wires and cables for peripheral devices of any sphere will go to the past. The microcomputers will be installed everywhere, in clothes, in jewelry, in furniture, and even in walls. The same applies to the photo and video cameras, the lenses of which will be reduced to the size of a pinhead. There will also be an artificial retina, a bionic ear, and other neural implants, a number of which will be limited. Patients who have spinal cord injuries will walk again, learning from the exoskeleton controlled by brain-computer interface or directly from the own nerve-ending commands. 2020. Access to the internet will be available for 85% of the Earth's surface. It will become predominantly wireless and very cheap. Personal computers will reach computing power comparable to the human brain. 2022. The United States and Europe will adopt a law that regulates the relationship between people and robots. 2024. Elements of artificial intelligence will become mandatory for cars. People will be forbidden to use cars which are not equipped with these assistants. 2025. Portable electronics will begin to be replaced by implantables. We will learn how to effectively combat the aging process and will continue to extend our lives through nanorobots and other technologies that don't even have a name yet. 2028. Alternative energy will become so cheap and widespread that it will satisfy the entire total energy demand of humankind. 2029. Artificial intelligence will not only be able to completely pass the Turing test, but it will do it better than many real interlocutors. A computer at a price of $1,000 will far exceed the brain of the average person in most areas. 2030. The flowering of nanotechnology in the industry will lead to a significant reduction of production cost of all products. 2031. 3D printers for printing of human organs will be used in hospitals of all levels. Many people will become cyborgs by their own will. Due to the implantation, the meaning of the term of human being will be interpreted. Computer implants with direct connections to the brain and certain groups of neurons will appear. They will be able to give a man superhuman power to strengthen perception, improve memory, increase reaction speed, and reduce the training time. 2032. Nanobots will perform detailed scans of the human brain that allow them to understand the details of his work. 2033. Almost all cars will be self-administered. Agricultural work and the transportation system will be fully automated. 2034. First humans date with artificial intelligence. It is displayed in an improved form. Virtual lover can be equipped with a body, projecting the image on the retina of the eye. For example, using contact lenses or glasses virtual reality. The development of artificial intelligence will lead to a social movement for the rights of machines. The Global Orbital Protection Program will effectively prevent the fall of large meteorites and asteroids on Earth. 2036. People will be able to program body cells for the new functions and treatment of diseases for the first time, using the approach to biology as to programming. 2037. A giant breakthrough in understanding the mystery of the human brain. Hundreds of different subregions with specialized functions will be identified. Some of the algorithms that encode the development of these regions will be decoded and included in neural computer networks. 2038. The emergence of robotic people, products of transhumanistic technologies, they will be equipped with additional intelligence and a variety of integrated options, from the eye camera up to an additional hand prosthesis. 2039. Nanomachines will be implanted directly into the brain and implement arbitrary input and output from brain cells. This will lead to the emergence of a virtual reality with full immersion, which does not require any additional equipment. 2041. The maximum throughput of the internet will be 500 million times higher than today. Search engines will be installed everywhere. Requests can be sent even by the power of thought. 2042. The first potential realization of immortality, thanks to the army of nanorobots which complement the immune system and exterminate the diseases. 2043. The human body can take any form. Thanks to a large number of nanorobots, internal organs will be replaced by cybernetic devices of much better quality. 2044. Non-biological intelligence will be billions of times more intelligent than biological. From 2079 to 2099, humanity is flooding the entire universe, and technological singularity is going. This is the moment when technological progress will be so fast that it will be difficult to understand for the people of our time, but it will be clear for the people of the future, as they will be billions of times smarter than we are. By the way, you could win $10 by writing your cool comments on this video, and if it scores not one like, then you'll be the winner. Goodbye.